This initial solution will show you how to set up an auto reply message in Gmail. If you will be away from your Gmail account, like on a vacation or without access to the internet, you can set up a vacation responder to automatically notify people that you won't be able to get back to them right away. When people send you a message, they will receive an email response containing what you have written in your vacation auto reply. To set up the vacation reply, first of all, open your Gmail and then click on this gear icon. Click on See All Settings and make sure to select the General tab. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom and here you will get this vacation responder section. So currently here we can see it's turned off. So we have to turn on this first. To do that, select this option, vacation responder on. Now fill in the date range, subject and message. I'm gonna selecting here 6th April 2023. And you can select the last day, but it's optional. Now give your subject and now put here your email message. And remember one thing, if you have a Gmail signature, it will be shown at the bottom of your vacation response. Now all you have, and you can send this response to people in your contacts only by checking this option. Then click on Save Changes. And this is how we can set up a auto reply message in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.